In the summer of 2025, the world stood on the brink of an unprecedented crisis. Beams of shimmering light pierced through the sky, signaling the arrival of alien invaders from distant galaxies. Panic spread like wildfire as nations scrambled to defend themselves. Among the chaos, former President Donald Trump found himself unexpectedly thrust back into the limelight. Retired and living at Mar-a-Lago, Trump was initially skeptical of the reports of alien attacks. His skepticism evaporated when a massive alien fleet hovered menacingly over Washington, D.C. Quickly assembling his closest advisors, including loyalists from his previous administration, Trump decided that the only way to unite humanity was through decisive, unyielding action. Utilizing his connections, Trump reached out to other world leaders, convincing them to form an unprecedented global coalition. The United Earth Defense Force, UEDF, a conglomerate of the world's military powers, was born. As tensions surged, Trump took to social media, rallying both followers and skeptics with his characteristic bravado and confident declarations. A hastily organized summit at the United Nations saw Trump addressing representatives from every nation. "We will not go quietly into the night," he exclaimed, borrowing a famous line from a popular movie. "Together, we will show these aliens that Earth is not theirs to conquer." Amid cheers and murmurs, the world witnessed a renewed sense of unity. Scientists, engineers, and strategists from across the globe worked tirelessly to develop advanced weaponry and defense systems. Trump, donning his signature red tie and an unexpectedly suitable military uniform, supervised the preparations with an air of calm determination. As the day of reckoning approached, the UEDF confronted the alien onslaught in a decisive battle above Earth's atmosphere. With Trump monitoring the situation from a command center in NORAD, the human forces unleashed their full might. In a display of unparalleled coordination and heroism, they managed to cripple the alien fleet. Trump, watching the events unfold on a multitude of screens, felt a surge of pride as humanity stood its ground. In the aftermath of the battle, Earth had earned its hard-fought victory. The grateful populace hailed Trump as a hero, recognizing his leadership in the face of extraterrestrial menace. The world had changed forever, but it remained united, vigilant, and ready to face any new challenges that lay ahead. The former president returned to his semi-retired life, content with the knowledge that he had played a pivotal role in defending the planet.